To configure the MQTT Collector, we'll run the Canary admin application. Our Canary system here has already been licensed and installed properly with the MQTT Collector as part of that installation. I can see from my table that I currently have no collectors enabled or configured, so I'll start with the Configuration tab, and I'll have to establish a new connection group. When I create a new connection group, all of the components of that connection group are automatically filled in for me. I just need to customize it for my needs. So we'll give it a name. Name how I'd like my client ID to appear. Build out the servers. In this case, I already have a placeholder. And here I need to copy in and paste the unique information to the Hive MQ Cloud. I'm going to change it from public to secure, 8883. I'll add my username. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my password. Because we're using 8883, I need to enable my SSL TLS. Apply those changes. So now my server's been configured. Now I need to modify my subscription. So we've already by default created a wildcard subscription. I'm going to subscribe and keep it wildcarded and subscribe to everything that I have access to through my username. I'm also going to tell it to automatically log all of the tags that it finds and name what the data set should be within Canary. We'll call this the Hive MQ data set. We'll apply. Last, I tell it where the historian is located. By default, it's looking to the local host. If you have the MQTT Collector installed local to the historian, you would leave it localhost. In my instance, I'll be sending to a different historian, and that would be my historian machine name called Canary Live. Now I could also here put in the IP address. I don't need to do that based on my current configuration. We'll apply those changes, come down to status, and we'll be able to start the session. Now, if I wanted to filter and create filters on the tags or do some additional optional configuration, I would do that under the filters tag properties categories. I don't need to do that in this case. I enable, and we'll see that I've connected. My connection is good. We found 20 tags. We're logging 20 tags, and that data is currently coming in to the historian. When I look to the historian, I find my data set, and here's all of the tags that I've been logging today. There's the level, the pressure, and the temperature tags. Now I can also see this data by logging into Axiom and looking at my cloud instance. I've previously created an application. And in this application, I'm able to see the level, pressure, and temperature tags. that we're logging from the broker.